it up with sticks and stones, my fair lady. Sticks and stones